Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Regarding the concept of prophethood, the misconception I would like to remove today relates to this notion which is found in many segments of our society, that this whole world was created because of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. Now, this notion is based or derived from a hadith whose words are لَوْلَاكَ لَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْأَفْلَاقَ, which means that was it not for you, O Prophet, I would not have created the whole world. I would not have created this universe. So on the basis of this narrative, it is construed that this world was created because the objective was to create Prophet Muhammad SAW. Now it needs to be first of all understood that this narrative has been qualified by all great authorities, by prominent authorities of hadith, to be a fabricated narrative. It is not at all true. It has been concocted. So therefore we cannot derive any conclusion on the basis of this narrative. It also needs to be understood that people who are the nations of prophets, they often end up venerating that prophet beyond what is actually required. They try to invest him with superhuman attributes and superhuman qualities. And when this particular sentiment was found among Christians, we know that it ended up by making them invest the personality of Jesus with the Son of God, and they regarded him to be Son of God. Similarly, when this particular proclivity or tendency of venerating prophets of God to superhuman characteristics invested itself amongst Muslims, they ended up with such notions as, for example, I have just discussed, that the fact of the matter is that the Almighty created this universe, this whole wide world, because actually He intended to create the Prophet Muhammad SAW. So it can be safely said on the basis of this narrative that since this narrative is not at all authentic, it has been fabricated as per the authorities of hadith, we cannot derive any conclusion on the basis of it. And we can safely say that it is an erroneous concept to say it is absolutely wrong to believe that this whole universe was created because the objective of the Almighty was to ultimately create the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين والمسلمات.